Oh yeah, seasoned up. Then you get it all mixed up in there. Make sure your beef get all the good seasonings and things like that.
Gotta rock the gloves.
Got to keep the gloves in play.
You can have your free hand.
Yeah, get meat
You
all
have your
over.
free hand, so you can use the seasoning in the other hand
Yeah.
for the mixing with the.
And you
with
know
the
us.
meat.
Don't skip the flip.
Yes, Lord. And the onion powder. And I forgot to get bouillon cubes. But I don't really like using that much because it's just more seasoning. And I actually don't know what all you put in that.
Yeah.
So
So
I
just
put my own stuff.
yeah, just kind of make you a seasoning that
Salt free or something.
you know what you like.
Mrs. Dash or something.
Something like that. But this is the Miller's way.
Yes, Lord. Excuse me, y'all gotta. Excuse me.
Oh, bless that baby.
All the seasonings. And I love them when I'm crazy
Bless that baby.
because it makes me sneeze because of my allergies, so can't help it. But I covered my mouth. Sneezed in my shirt. I thought I felt someone fly out. I'm like, they're already going fight.
Yeah.
Always fighting me. So I'm about to put them in the pot so it start boiling. And then I'll add in my vegetables.
Look how seasoned that meat is.
Let that cook for about 2 hours.
Yes, Lord.
And it's gonna be fire, and I ain't making no cornbread with it this time. Just plain old beef stew.
More of the video to come.